Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can caption those TikTok videos of yours. This is a full tutorial. For example, let me show you some samples.
There is
This right here, this one, you might
in
have
this
seen such
video,
videos. You can easily caption this guy.
I don't know.
Really easy and simple. Let me show you what I did in my own project with this tool, Clipmagic. Of course, the link is in the description. So here we have default presets I can use. For example, this was a tutorial on Excel. I can choose this preset right here and then click on play.
As in this video, I'm going to show you how to insert a link.
And you can easily change these presets. You can choose another one right here. For example, this one.
Linked chart from a micro.
And if you want, you can also customize it in your own style. You can change the font, the color, the position, the animation. You can even add shadows, guys. Let me show you. Look at that. You can add shadows. You can add spacings, text borders, scalings, caption boxes, anything you can think of, guys. You can also make your own presets and save them right here. Really easy and simple. Of course, you can also add emojis and magic emojis to your videos. Let me show you. For example, here with the caption, they have emojis showing up. That really helps with audience retention. You know, you get automatic captions with just a click of a button. Of course, you can go ahead and edit them as well. You can come here and click on this text and edit it even more. You can add emojis if you want, custom emojis with the text if you want specifically, or you can use magic emojis and the AI tool will pick up what emojis to use for the captions. Of course, you can use viral templates, guys, as well. And let me show you, there's templates here, a bunch of templates you can use under video styles. There's many premium ones as well. Let me show you the pricing. If you want to use the premium ones, it's only $12 a month, guys. You get unlimited video exports, unlimited duration, resolution, 4K, all the templates you could think of, and all these other things. They give you AI hook titles, SEO tags, and even descriptions to make sure your video reaches the largest possible audience. And for example, let me show you the pricing compared to competitors. Submagic charges $50 a month. Clipmagic only $12 a month, guys. This can be even cheaper than getting a freelancer. A freelancer usually charges you $10 to $15 per minute for editing on a long-form videos. And this AI tool does it for you for only $12 a month with just one click, guys. So you don't have to wait for your freelancer to do the work. You can do it on your own just with one click. And of course, guys, if you're trying to pay for short videos, usually $15, $20 to $30 per short. And it's really cheap. You can go ahead and try this for free. You can come here and download. Go check out the link in the description, guys. You can download for Mac Windows and Mac OS. So I hope this video helped you out, guys. And if it did, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to the channel. And check out the link in the description, guys. And I'll see you in the next one.